Hello, my name is Anggreni Putri. My name is 15240492. What is malware? Malware is short for malicious software, meaning a program created specifically to infiltrate a system without the owner knowledge and to remain there for certain period. Typically, malware disguises itself as a harmless program to device user. The impact of this harmful software is much more serious for companies compared to individual users. A malware attack on a company network system can cause widespread damage and disruption, recording significant recovery effort throughout the organization. Types of malware. Types of malware today, digital era, various kinds of malicious software are roaming, presenting increasingly complex challenges. It is important to enhance awareness of the evolving types of malware. Research shows that Trojan and worms are the most common types of malware today, while the number of viruses is declining. Not only that, but malware is also starting to target mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. In fact, there are cases where malware has already been pre-installed on device. Virus. The main characteristic of a program to be considered a virus is its ability to replace itself. The means the virus will spread by distributing copies of itself through various means. Another distinctive feature is their ability to hide within the system, making them difficult to detect without special security programs such as antivirus. Trojan. A Trojan is a type of malware. It is concurrently described as a program that is beneficial for computer. They spread by masquerading as something ordinary software, enticing user to insert in on the PC. Typically, a Trojan typelot can be a backdoor that prevents attack with illegal access to the compromised computer. This allows cybercriminals to take control and access personal information such as the IP address, password, and bank account details of the computer owner. Worm. A worm is a type of malware that spreads rapidly and autonomously. Unlike a virus, a worm does not need to insert itself into existing file to spread. As an autonomous program, a worm replicates within the computer without targeting specific file. They then to targeting operating system file and can cause the computer drive to become empty. Ransomware. This type of malware attacks the system from within, locking the computer so that it becomes useless. Ransomware can vary in complexity, ranging from simply locking the system to encrypting the victim files, forcing a ransom payment to decrypt them. Rootkit. A rootkit is a collection of software specifically designed to allow malware to collect information secretly. This type of malware operates in the background of the system, so computer user will not suspect its presence. Keylogger. A keylogger is a troubling piece of software that is tasked with storing all the information typed using the keyboard. Although keylogger typically cannot record input from virtual keyboard or other input device. The greatest risk lies in physical keyboard that are vulnerable to this type of malware. Greyware. Greyware is a term that started to be recognized in 204, referring to unwanted applications and files that are not directly classified as malware. Although not as severe as malware, greyware can degrade computer performance and pose security risks. Spyware. Spyware, as the name suggests, is software that continues monitor user. Its main purpose is to track user internet activities with the aim of sending adware. Adware. Adware is a program that supported by advertisement, often displaying ads in the form of pop-ups and windows that are difficult to close. Although considered a relative harmless type of malware, adware is basically designed to display ads on the user computer, which often disrupt the use experience. Rogue security software. Rogue security software, also known as rogue anti-malware, is software that pretends to be a useful security solution, when in fact it is not, with an approach similar to genuine security software. Rogue security software attempt to mislead users into making incorrect translation. Browser hijacker. A browser hijacker is a type of unwet software that changes web browser settings without the user permission. Typically, browser hijacker cause unwanted AdSense to appear on the browser and may also change the home page or share page to page controlled by hijacker. A backdoor in the context of software or computer system is essentially an undocummented portal that allows the administrator to access the system for troubleshooting or maintenance. The danger of malware: 1. Change the website appearance to displaying irrelevant advanced. 3. Displaying from SRP. 4. Unable to access the website. 5. Data theft. Preventing and dealing with malware threats. 1. Use antivirus or anti-malware software. 2. Avoid checking random links. 3. Be cautious when installing software. 4. Ensure operating system is up to date. 5. Perform regular backup. 6. Use strong password. 7. Disable pop-ups and install quality anti-malware. What is hardware? Hardware is all types of components that exist in a computer which can be seen with the naked eye or can be physically felt. So, it can be said that hardware is the physical equipment of the computer that is useful for performing input, processing, and output. General function of hardware. 1. 1. General function of hardware: processing data or information. To process data and execute processes on a computer system. Example of processing device include CPU, RAM, VGA, and on. Receiving output, that's it, hardware that has a specific function in receiving input from the user. Thus, the hardware will process it into new information. The data received from the input can be transferred to the output, providing output. When processed, the hardware will give output again to the user. All of this output can be seen by the user displayed on special hardware. These machines influence each other between output and input, storing information and data. In this case, all the output generated by two computers can be saved on the secondary storage device of the computer. Input device monitor is a component that every company needs to have in order to carry out various tasks. Printer, a type of hardware that you can use to print any kind of document needs you desire. LCD projector, a hardware device that's useful to help you display videos or images on an LCD screen from a computer. Process device. CPU is a device that is useful for controlling all the work process that occur in the computer. VGA device that function to process and manipulate graphic data so that the result can later be displayed on the computer monitor. RAM is a type of hardware that can determine the access speed in a computer. Device for storing hard disk is a device that functions to store information and data in a computer with a large capacity. This device has a shape similar to portable. Flash disk is a data storage device for computers that has a connector in the form of USB. This connector will facilitate this device to connect to computer or other media use. This flash disk can be used to transfer data from one computer to another. Optical disc is a data storage medium that can be read or written by laser light. Generally, the optical disc here is in the form of a CD or compact disc or DVD or digital cassette disc. Additional devices. Additional devices are useful in helping computers execute user commands. These devices are commonly referred to as peripherals, which are useful in connecting computer devices to the internet networks. One example is a modem. Here, a modem can be used as a communication tool to convert digital signal into analog signal or vice versa.